To find and use Crypto.com with a debit card, start by understanding what Crypto.com is. Crypto.com is a popular cryptocurrency exchange and wallet platform that allows users to buy, sell, and store various digital currencies. First, go to the Crypto.com website or download the Crypto.com app from the App Store on your mobile device. Create an account by clicking on the Sign Up button and following the registration process. You will need to provide some personal information and verify your email address. Once you have created and verified your account, navigate to the Payment Methods section. Click on Add Payment Method and select Debit Card as your preferred payment option. You will be prompted to enter your debit card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. After adding your debit card, you will need to verify it. Crypto.com will make a small transaction on your card, and you will need to enter the amount of the transaction to confirm that you are the owner of the card. This is a security measure to protect your account and prevent unauthorized transactions. Once your debit card is verified, you can use it to buy cryptocurrencies on the Crypto.com platform. Navigate to the Buy section. Select the cryptocurrency you want to purchase, and enter the amount you want to buy. Review the transaction details, including the exchange rate and any fees, and confirm the transaction. It is essential to note that Crypto.com may charge fees for debit card transactions, and the fees can vary depending on your location and the type of cryptocurrency you are buying. Make sure to review the fees before making a transaction. To keep your account and transactions secure, make sure to use a strong password and enable two-factor authentication. Also, be aware of the market risks and only invest in cryptocurrencies that you understand and can afford to lose. In conclusion, finding and using Crypto.com with a debit card is a straightforward process that requires creating an account, adding and verifying your debit card, and using it to buy cryptocurrencies. Always make sure to review the fees and terms of the transaction and take necessary security measures to protect your account.